Question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Find the length of the entire capsule is 5 millimeter. Find its surface area. Given diameter of each hemispheres is equal to 5 mm, 5 millimeter. Radius is equal to 5/2 millimeter. Surface area of two hemisphere is equal to 2 into 2 pi r square, that is equal to 4 into pi r square. 4 multiplied by pi is 22/7 into radius is 5/2 into 5/2, that is equal to 22 into 25 divided by 7 is equal to 25 2s are 50. 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 5, 55/7 millimeter square. Its surface area of two hemispheres. Total length is equal to 14 millimeter. Length of cylindrical surface is equal to 14 minus 5, that is 9 millimeter, and its H. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, that is 2 into pi is 22/7 and radius is 5/2 and height of cylinder we get 9. 2 is cancel and we get 45 into 22, 90, 90, that is 990/7 mm square. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 990/7 millimeter square. So total surface area of capsule is equal to curved surface area of two hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylindrical portion, that is equal to 550 divided by 7 plus 990 divided by 7, that is equal to 0. 9 plus 5 14, 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15 upon 7 millimeter square, and 1540 divides 7, 7 2 jar 14, 1472 jar 14, 0, that is completely divisible by 220. 220 millimeter square. Answer. Given diameter of each hemisphere is 5 millimeter and its radius is 5 upon 2 millimeter. Surface area of two hemisphere, that is equal to 2 into 2 pi r square, that will be 4 pi r square. Pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 5 upon 2 into 5 upon 2. 2 2 jar 4 and 2 1 jar 2. 22 multiplied by 25, we get 550 upon 7 millimeter square. Its surface area of two hemisphere. And total length is equal to 14 millimeter. So length of cylindrical surface, that is equal to 14 minus 5, 14 minus 5, 2.5, 2.5, that is total is equal to 5. 14 minus 5, we get 9 millimeter. Its height of cylinder. And curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Its height of cylinder, but curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2 pi r is 5 upon 2, and h, we get height of cylinder, that is 9 millimeter, and put here we get 990 upon 7. 2 is cancelled. 45 multiplied by 22, we get 990 divided by 7 millimeter square. And total surface area of capsule, that is equal to curved surface area of two hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylindrical portion, or curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to curved surface area of two hemispheres 550 upon 7, and curved surface area of cylindrical portion is 990 upon 7. There are some 990 plus 550, that is 1540, which is completely divisible by 7. 227 are 1540, and we get 220 millimeter square. Answer. Question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part is 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Diameter is 4 meter and 2.1 meter, 2.1 meter. 2.8 meter. Given diameter of cylinder is equal to 4 meter and radius is equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2 meter. Height of the cylindrical part, that is 2.1 meter. Slant height of cone, that is denoted by L, is equal to 2.8 meter. Curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into radius of cylinder, that is equal to 2, and height of cylinder is 2.1, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2 into 21 upon 10. 7 3s are 21 and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, that is equal to 44 multiplied by 3 divided by 5. 132, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12 plus 113 divided by 5, 5 2s are 10, 3 5 6 are 30, 2.0 and 5 4s are 20, that is equal to 26.4 meter square. Its curved surface area of cylinder. And curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL, that is equal to pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 2, and slant height we have 2.8, that is 28 upon 10. 7 4s are 28. 44 multiplied by 4 divided by 10 is equal to 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17 divided by 10, that is equal to 17.6 meter square. Its curved surface area of cone. And find the area of the canvas. So area of canvas is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, that is equal to 26.4 plus 17.6. 26.4 17.6, that is 0.44, that is equal to 44 meter square. Cost of canvas is equal to rupees 500. This implies total cost is equal to 44 multiplied by 500 that is equal to 5 4s are 20, 2200 rupees. Answer. Given diameter of cylinder is equal to 4 meter and its radius is half of diameter, that is 2 meter. Height of cylindrical part is 2.1 and slant height of cone given, that is 2.8 meter, and curved surface area of cylinder, we know that curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h, 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 2 and height is 2.1. We get 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2 multiply by 21 upon 10, 7 3s are 21 and 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2. We get 44 multiply by 3, that is equal to 132 divided by 5. 132 divided by 5, that is equal to 26.4 meter square. Curved surface area of cylindrical portion. And curved surface area of cone is pi rl, 22 upon 7 into r is 2 and l is 2.8, means 28 upon 10. 7 4s are 28 and 22 2s are 44 multiply by 4, that is equal to 176 divided by 10. We get 17.6 meter square. Curved surface area of cone is 17.6 meter square. Area of canvas, that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, and we get 26.4 plus 26.4 plus 17.6 meter square, that is equal to 44 meter square. Their sum is 44 meter square. And given cost of canvas is rupees 500, so total cost we get 44 multiplied by 500, that is rupees 22,000. Answer. Question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 meter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Height of cylinder is equal to 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. Given diameter of base is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Radius is equal to 1.4 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Height of cylinder, that is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Slant height of cone L is equal to under root of r square plus h square. L is equal to under root of r is 0.7 raised to power 2 plus height is 2.4 raised to power 2. This implies L can be write it as 7 7s are 49, 0.49 plus 24, 24s are 576, that is 5.76, and 5.76 plus 0.9, 0.49, that is 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, 1 carry 12, 5 plus 1 6, and L is equal to 6.25 with root. This implies slant height L is equal to 2.5 raised to power 2 with under root. 25 25s are 625, so 2.5 square is equal to 6.25. Square root is cancelled. We get L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. And curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL, that is equal to pi is 22 upon 7 into radius we have 0.7, that is 7 upon 10 into height into L is equal to 2.5, 25 upon 10. 7 7 is cancelled. We get 22 into 25 divided by 100 centimeter square, that is 25 2 jar 50, 25 2 jar 50, that is 55 upon 100, 0 0 is cancelled, centimeter square, and we get 5.5 centimeter square. It's curved surface area of cone. And curved surface area of cylindrical part, that is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH is equal to 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 0.7, can be write it as 7 upon 10, and height is 2.4, can be write 24 upon 10. 7 7 is cancelled, and we get 22 2 jar 44 multiply by 24 divided by 100, 44 multiply by 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, that is 6, and 15, 8 plus 1 9 plus 1 10 is equal to 1056 upon 100 centimeter square, that is equal to 10.56 centimeter square. Curved surface area of cylindrical part is equal to curved surface area of cylindrical part is equal to 10.56 centimeter square, and area of base, that is equal to pi r square. Pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 upon 10, 7 upon 10. This is cancelled, and 154 divided by 100 centimeter square, that is equal to 1.54 centimeter square. Its area of base, and total surface area is equal to curved surface area of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus area of base, that is equal to 5.5 plus 10.56 plus 1.54 centimeter square is equal to 17.60 centimeter square approx or 18 centimeter square. 17.60 approx 18 centimeter square answer. Given diameter of base is 1.4 centimeter and radius is 1.4 divided by 2, that is 0.7 centimeter. Height of cylinder is 2.4, it's given, and slant height of cone is equal to L is equal to R square plus H square. R is 0.7 square plus height is 2.4 square. 0.7 square is 0.49. 7 sevens are 49 and 24 24s are 576, but 5.76, and their addition is 6.25, that is root of 25 square is 625, root square is cancelled, we get slant height L is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Pi is 22 upon 7, radius is 7 upon 10, 0.7 can be read 7 upon 10, and height, slant height is equal to 25 upon 10. 2.5 can be read 25 upon 10. 7 is cancelled, 25 into 22, that is 550 divided by 10, 10s are 100, 0 is cancelled, and we get curved surface area of cone is 5.5 centimeter square, and curved surface area of cylindrical part 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 0.7, 7 upon 10 into height is 2.4, 24 upon 10. 7 is cancelled, 22 2s are 44, 44 multiplied by 24 divided by 100, that is equal to 44 into 24 is 1056 divided by 100 centimeter square. We get curved surface area of cylindrical part is 10.56 centimeter square, and area of base, that is area of circle, pi r square 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 10 into 7 upon 10, 7 is cancelled, 22 7s are 154 divided by 100 centimeter square, we get 1.54 centimeter square, and total surface area, that is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus area of base, 5.5 plus 10.56 plus 1.54 centimeter square, we get 17.60 centimeter square approx, and find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Nearest is 18 centimeter square answer. Question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder as shown in figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base of radius is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. Given height of cylinder is equal to 10 centimeter. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, that is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 3.5, 35 upon 10 into height is 10. 10 is cancelled and 7 5s are 35. We get 44 into 5 centimeter square, that is equal to 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 22 centimeter square. Inner curved surface area of each hemisphere is equal to 2 into 2 pi r square, that is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10, that is 4 into 22 upon 7 into 35 upon 10, 35 upon 10, this is cancelled by 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. We get 22 into 7, that is equal to centimeter square. 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 centimeter square. Find the total surface area. Total surface area of the article is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemisphere, that is equal to 220 plus 154 centimeter square is equal to 220 plus 154 473 374 centimeter square. Answer. Given height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and radius is 3.5 centimeter. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rs, 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 3.5, 35 upon 10 into height is 10. We get 44 into 5, that is 220 centimeter square. It's curved surface area of cylinder. And inner curved surface area of each hemisphere, two hemisphere, that is 2 into 2 pi r square, 4 pi r square, 4 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5, 35 upon 10 into 35 upon 10, 7 5s are 35 and 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. 22 multiplied by 7, we get 154 centimeter square. It's inner curved surface area of each hemisphere. and total surface area of the article is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of each hemisphere. 220 plus 154, we get 374 centimeter square. Answer. Thank you so much.